Kuppd was started with a mission to make women feel more comfortable in their own bodies following breast surgery. We create 3D printed breast prosthesis through body scanning of either a woman's body after surgery or prior to, and then create breast prosthesis that are perfectly fitting. Through Health Innovation Manchester, I've learned a great deal about the various different NHS pathways, how I need to improve my product, and what is already in the market in order to improve upon it. I've been working with Jayne Mechan, who is a brilliant senior lecturer there, and we have been inviting in participants who have been body scanned and then collecting that data to create prosthesis.
Within this project, I've been supporting Sarah with items such as the body scanning, the participation with those who have been affected by breast cancer, and understanding their particular journey and experience, as well as Sarah's needs and desires for the project.
The next steps for Kuppd are procuring IP in order to push through to bring the product to market, which is what I'm most excited about because it means we can talk about the product more, share it with the women that need it. I'll also still be continuing to work a little bit with the university and with Jayne on more of a consultation basis and getting their advice on next steps, again, bringing the product to market and really getting Kuppd out there to the people that need it.